Hi everyone, and in this video I'll be telling you the new codes for this game, the locked game in Roblox. So guys, first of all, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all guys, you have to click on this menu button here, and just here you can enter your code. The first code is guys, the first code is HEIGST height stamina. Click on enter and we successfully redeem our code. The second code is TY30 LILIKES. Thank you 30k likes. Yeah, basically on k हम भूल गए हैं. We forget the k letter here and click on enter and we redeem successfully and we got 75,000 yen. The next code is PLNETHO, this planet hotline. Again we forget T here and click on enter and we got 1 lakh yen. And the next code is NAGIMOVIE and click on enter and we got 1 lakh yen again. So yeah, these are the guys new codes. Hope you like it and subscribe for more videos, like the video as well, and yeah, for more video like this please hit the bell icon as well. Till then, bye bye.